Most wireless mics fail the moment that you open up the iPhone's native app. You end up needing third-party apps or a $500 mess of adapters like this one here that I bought. I just found a $60 fix that is pure plug and play. I spent nearly $500 on my Rode Wireless 2 setup, but it wouldn't talk to my iPhone without a dongle. Then I discovered that you can buy this DJI mobile receiver for around $15 or get the whole kit like the one that I bought here for about $60. Let's see what's actually inside the box. So inside the box, as we open it up, you'll find that there's the instructions. Then there's a carrying case, nice and compact. USB-C charger. I love the fact that it actually had two ends to it so you can charge both mics at the same time. You're going to find that the mic here has a wind cover or a windscreen on it. You can plug in both. They magnetically attach, so really easy. These are really strong magnets. There's a clip if you want to clip it instead of using the magnet. And you can actually take the wind cover off fairly easily. Snap it back on. And here is the receiver itself. Nice and compact. Plug and play. You can use two mics at the same time with it, which is fantastic. Here's a size comparison with the DJI 2 and also with the Rode Wireless Go 2 setup. Inside the bundle, you get two transmitters and the receiver. This is a game changer. This little mobile receiver plugs directly into your USB-C or Lightning port. Watch this. This is my voice right here with nothing connected to the iPhone. And I'm going to take this receiver here and I'm going to plug it in. No apps, no settings needed. It's completely plug and play right into the iPhone immediately. It switches to the external microphone. This is the setup that I wish I had before I spent $500. By the way, this whole video was recorded on the $60 setup with my iPhone, exactly like I'm telling you here. If the quality is good enough for you, I've linked it down below. Stop fighting your gear and just get filming.